Welcome to Wax Sports Reviews. In this video, we're looking at the best helmet that Mazuri make, the Mazuri E line. This is very similar to the other helmets that Mazuri make, with the only difference being the grille, and this little bit making this helmet heaps better than anything else you could find on the market. So, to get into this review, let me start talking to you about the features of this helmet. Starting off with the shell. It's a single shell that Mazuri are using on all their other helmets. So it's the toughest shell in terms of protection, but also light enough at the same time to not make it too cumbersome, giving you a lighter feel on your head. The finish is the same cloth finish that you'll find on the T line. So it is a very thorough finish, leaving no stone unturned in their cleanliness and the flush look of this helmet, with the Mazuri embroidery logo at the back. Moving on to the grille, this is available in both steel and titanium, being Mazuri's best. So it is just a little bit heavier than the T line, but it does offer you a lot more to compensate for it. This here is called the I-line grille, which is a Mazuri patent, so that no one else can replicate it. What this little bar inside does is it offers you better vision than the average test grille. And the other thing it does is that if the ball is trying to enter through here, this little bar pushes it up rather than allowing it inside, offering you much better protection, giving you that reassurance every time you're out there in the field batting down there. Moving on, in terms of grille, it's the same everywhere else. It's just as wide and just as long as the test grille. So it's compact enough to not hinder your stance in any way, unlike the Shreyas, where it allows you to play a lot more freely and also is really good protection so that the ball doesn't enter through. Moving on inside, there's the same padding system like you see on the T lines. So you get these two paddings so that this conforms to the contours of your head if you've got a slightly different head shape. And there's also 2 bits of extra thick padding inside the box if you want a more snug fit. There's also extra padding on either the front and the back so that this helmet sits a lot more comfortably on your head so that you don't feel too tired when you're wearing this helmet, along with the ventilation slots at the top in the Mazuri airflow system. All up, quite possibly the best helmet you can get on the market with a better vision and better protection out there compared to any other competitor on the market. So, if you're looking to get this helmet, you can walk into one of our stores or get it online.